Hey everybody, it's John Steyer coming at you here from the training facility here at Hawkeye Community College here in Waterloo, Iowa. We've got the 10-week apprenticeship program being put on here through FCEF, and the class has just left and the instructor is going to play a little trick on these guys. So this is what I love about hands-on learning right here, is tomorrow when they come in, they're going to see that I busted up some tile in each one of their modules. And we're going to be able to discuss, why some of these, I'm just going to say pick on these two, these poor guys, but why was I able to knock those tile out so easy as opposed to the two on the ends here. And this is great learning right here. This is where learning needs to take place, in a classroom, in a controlled setting like this. They're going to be able to see it. They're going to be able to make the correction because we are going to be tiling again in there. And I can already guarantee that you will see a night and day difference between these modules and these modules. Thanks for watching.